some black tea.
Yeah.
Since it's a special Mother's Day.
Yeah.
So, first off, we'll start off by boiling the water.
Yeah.
We just have to wait for some time.
Bubbles are coming out from there. So we are waiting for that to be done, and after that we will put in sugar and then dates.
Yeah.
We will just wait for a little while. Oh my God, that sound is very loud.
So it's been a while, and the water is, I think, nearly done.
Yeah, I think. And also after the water is done, we
We'll add in some sugar.
Yeah, 4 scoops we will put.
4 teaspoons.
Yeah.
And then the water, then the Lipton.
Yeah.
Now we'll add 4 teaspoons of sugar.
Yeah. I will eat first. You.
To you and to Paula.
Babu, wait.
Now the Now the water is done. I'm carefully going to add it.
I'm going to touch that. Me going away. I'm going away. That's soaking. I'm coming back. Oh, that's very hot. Now, that already made me be sweating. You spilled one water out. It's fine. This is like making a curve square.
Now we'll just mix it.
Yeah, we just pour the water, so now we will mix it.
We mix it carefully.
Nice. Now I will mix mine. I will be careful because maybe just spoon might be melted.
I just melted this. It just color changed when I added it.
Yeah. Done. Oh, hot. I touched the glass. Now tomato.
Can I add in one?
No,
Please.
no.
Okay, I'll just open it then.
Hey, how do I open? Okay. Hey, no.
Now, I think we have to again mix it.
Maybe. Color is so cool. Butter. The color is so cool now.
Yeah.
I just want to. That's it.
Mix it with the thing, with the Lipton. Look, watch. Just move it.
Oh yeah. Oh, you made me get it. Me don't get by myself.
Keep mixing.
These are like kites. These are like humans holding kites.
Yeah. Now we are done. We'll give it to our mom.
Yeah. Don't forget
to
hit that like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.